Hey guys, so yeah, I was gonna say this month went really quickly, and it's like, well, obviously, because February only has 28 days, so obviously it went fast. But anyway, I wanted to go through my faves and fails for the month of February, and because there was like a whole week where I didn't use anything at all because I had an infection in my eye, there's not as many items for me to show you, but I'm going to show you what I do have nonetheless. So the first thing has to be the Juvia's Festival palette. Here is what the palette itself looks like. It's just beautiful and vibrant and gorgeous, and just, oh, it's just to die for. It's so gorgeous. I find that these colors are just so pigmented. I'm gonna link the video where I did the swatches and the look down below. I absolutely adore this palette. Anyone who likes vibrant colors, I would definitely advise getting this. It's $21.50 and I use a 10% off code for me. Yeah, for me. It was for me's discount code that I used. But I definitely say if you like vibrant, rich colors, this is definitely the one. And then keeping in line with the whole Juvia's thing is the Saharan Blush palette volume 2. I absolutely adore this shade here, so gorgeous, and also this one here as well. This highlight is Bay. It is gorgeous. I use it all the time since I've gotten this. I can't get enough of it. I really can't. I think I've got a little bit of hard pan on there, so I need to kind of fix that a little bit, but this palette was definitely created with somebody like me in mind. Then we have the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation Stick. I absolutely adore this. It's just such a high coverage foundation. It's amazing, and I can even use it with other liquid foundations as well. And say if they are medium coverage foundations and they don't cover everything that I want to be covered, I can use just a tiny little bit of this on the areas that I need that extra coverage, and it blends out amazing, because not every day am I gonna want a full coverage foundation. But this, listen, I would definitely advise picking this up. I think this was about $8.99 if I remember correctly, something like that, $7.99 or $8.99. It wasn't £10, but it was just under £10. So I'll definitely advise that if you like a full coverage foundation, or if you like a medium coverage foundation but you have some blemishes that you need to cover up, I would definitely advise getting this as something to accompany your medium coverage foundation with. The last thing for my favorites is the Ayers body butter. This was a sample that I got in one of my subscription boxes a while ago, and only now got round to trying it out, finishing it. Me and my son, who has really dry skin, absolutely love this. It was so gorgeous. It just sunk right into the skin, no problem. I don't think I'm gonna rebuy this because, again, I've got so many cream samples that I just don't need anymore for now, but this was definitely something that I was reaching for over and over and over again throughout the whole of Feb. And now for my fail, which is just so sad. It's the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Fluid Foundation. I picked this up in TK Maxx. It was $5.99. The original RRP is about 52 or 54 pounds, but I just found that this foundation, even though it was $5.99, it was just too lightweight, and it was almost like a slight tint on the skin. It just doesn't do anything. And maybe it will be a good foundation for the summertime when you don't need to wear as much foundation, but I just feel like this doesn't do much. Like, I can see my skin peeking through, and the whole point is to cover it. I don't know, it just didn't work out for me, but I'm gonna hold on to it and try it out in the summer, but as it stands, it's a fail. So those were my faves and fails for the month of February. Let me know if any of those were in your faves and fails. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to put me on notification. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.